Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Gothic 1 remake game not loading, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS or stuttering issue on PC. So let's go through the method. The very first method suggested is to check the system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. Check it and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If the game is not listed over here, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application and add it to the list over here. After that select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, select your game under library section. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to run the game as administrator. For that go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen automatizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. For that go to the search option, search for settings. After that here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available for your Windows, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to modify launch option. So for that you have to go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general in the launch option you have to type -tx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't work, come back again, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to clear download cache. So for that go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You need to log into Steam again, confirm it, after that log into Steam and then try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already given the link in the description, just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download it, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, now wait for some time. After it is over and you get setup successful message, close this. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts again, log into the game and check if you can play the game without any further problem. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if your system has any antivirus software installed, before you launch the game, it is suggested to disable your antivirus software and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to move game to SSD. If your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can suffer from crashing or several other issues while playing the game, as most users have reported the same problem. So make sure your game is installed on SSD. You can easily check it by going to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on storage and here you'll find the game whether it's installed on SSD or on other drive. So if your game is installed on another drive, you simply have to select it and then click on move option and move the game to SSD, and after that launch the game and check. Delete temp files. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %temp press OK, and here you will get the temp files. You simply have to press Control A, and everything will be selected, and then click on delete icon. So this will delete the temp files. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, you have to check which apps are running in the background without any use. You have to close them. So after selecting those apps that you don't want, simply select it, right click on it, and then click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. So click on the download option. So this will download DirectX on your system. After that, you have to open it. After you open it, launch it and install it. And once you install the DirectX on your system, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. From here, you have to first of all list your game. For that, click on add desktop app, then go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, you have to select the game, and after that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Gothic 1 remake game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and then finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall Gothic 1 remake game, and then click on the play button to check if the game is launching or opening or not.